Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the Soothing Stream on-off valve insert in a hot spring spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: flathead screwdriver and pliers. Parts you will need: 73356 on-off valve insert kit and silicone grease. If the fountain will not turn off completely when the valve is closed, the issue is most likely a bad valve insert and O-ring. Both need to be replaced. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Remove the lever and then remove the bezel by unscrewing it counterclockwise. Step 3. Remove the large orange O-ring. Step 4. Firmly grasp the on-off valve insert with the pliers and pull it up and out. Step 5. Install the new orange O-ring. Step 6. Cover the small black O-ring with silicone grease and install it over the end of the insert. Step 7. Cover the on-off valve insert with silicone grease and install it securely in the valve body. Step 8. Install the bezel and lever. Step 9. Reconnect power to the spa. Step 10. Check the on-off valve for leaks. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.